Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. Question number 1. What is the term for a picture element on a screen? Answer: pixel. Question number 2. What was the first video game ever created? Answer: Pong. Question number 3. Who has won the most Grand Slam title in tennis? Answer: Serena Williams. Question number 4. What sport does Cristiano Ronaldo play? Answer: soccer football. Question number 5. In golf, what is the term for a hole-in-one? Answer: an ace. Question number 6. What sport uses a net, a shuttlecock and rackets? Answer: badminton. Question number 7. What is the name of the lion in The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe? Answer: Aslan. Question number 8. What is the title of the first book in the Lord of the Rings series? Answer: The Fellowship of the Ring. Question number 9. Who is the author of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? Answer: Roald Dahl. Question number 10. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? Answer: transparent. Question number 11. What is the smallest particle of an element? Answer: atom. Question number 12. What is the most abundant element in the universe? Answer: hydrogen. Question number 13. What force keeps us on the ground? Answer: gravity. Question number 14. Which city is known as the Big Apple? Answer: New York City. Question number 15. What country is the Eiffel Tower located in? Answer: France. Question number 16. What is the capital city of Canada? Answer: Ottawa. Question number 17. Which river flows through London? Answer: the Thames. Question number 18. What mountain range is Mount Everest part of? Answer: the Himalayas. Question number 19. During which war was the Battle of Gettysburg fought? Answer: the American Civil War. Question number 20. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? Answer: 26. They are 26 letters are there in the English alphabet. Question number 21. What is the name of the fairy in Peter Pan? Answer: Tinker Bell. Question number 22. What do caterpillars turn into? Answer: butterflies. Question number 23. Which mammal is known for having a pouch to carry its egg? Answer: the kangaroo. Question number 24. What is the fastest bird in the world? Answer: the peregrine falcon. Question number 25. What do you call a baby goat? Answer: a kid. Question number 26. Which animal is known for its black and white splits? Answer: the zebra. Question number 27. What is the largest land animal? Answer: the African elephant. Question number 28. What part of the human body is responsible for hearing? Answer: the ear. Question number 29. What is the main function of white blood cells? Answer: to fight infections. Question number 30. What bone is located in the upper arm? Answer: the humerus. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to do subscribe, like to our channel.